Hey everyone, my name is Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a nice neutral pink look. So I'm going to go ahead and moisturize and put my foundation on and all that stuff, but I'm going to fast through it all and put the names of all the items up here. I will also link them in the description below in case you want to find them yourself. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so as always, my choice of palette is the Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics. There are 35 colors in this palette. Yes, I keep it in the package. Yes, I also keep the plastic on it, because I'm just that kind of person. So today, to go with the light pink look, we're gonna use these top two shades here. Ooh, sorry about the glare. These top two shades here. It would make it a lot easier if these had names, but they don't, so I'm sorry. And I always like to use these applicators by Quo. So I'm going to go in with the top one and then the bottom one. I always put this white layer down so that these colors pop more when they're applied. So I'm going to go in with this one. Oh. If you watch my other videos, you know I already do this, but I always put down, I like to put Kleenex over my eye to prevent fallout. I know it looks silly, but it's fast, it works. No complaints here. Now I find this color actually matches my top perfectly, but what I'm going to do is add a secondary color on the outer edges. It's slightly darker, so it's that shade right underneath that one that I pointed out. So we're going to go in with this one here on the outer corners. Now again, for these, I love these because I'm just going to flip it over and use the back side. Also with the Kleenex, I like to put that along the edge of my eye here so that I get a nice straight line when I'm applying this outer color. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye and then apply some mascara and my liquid liner, which I will do off camera. think that looks pretty even. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm just going to apply some mascara. I like to use Lash Blast by CoverGirl. We'll do my lips now for you guys. So I like to use this lip treatment in red by Hanalei. Next, I'm gonna go in with this white by Marcelle. I switched tips, but I always like to do white on my inner corners. So just like that, it just brings in a lot of light to your eyes. So last, I like to go ahead and apply my liner. So I use the liquid liner in Matte by NYX. So I'm just going to go apply that off camera, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I finished up my liner, and this is what it looks like. So if you want just a nice natural light look to wear, I totally suggest this one. And if you do like it, please hit the like button below. Also, if there's any other color combinations that you'd like to see, leave a comment, let me know what you're looking for. Or maybe you have an event coming up and you're just not sure what colors to pair together. Leave that below too, I can make some suggestions. If you want to be notified on the next time I upload a video, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and you will be notified. I also just want to leave with one message for the day, which is fall in love with as many things as possible. I know right now is kind of a weird time for everyone, being that we're all kind of like in quarantine, but like on the bright side, that gives us a lot of time to reconnect with ourselves, reconnect with our passions, reconnect or rediscover things that we love that we maybe have put aside at one point. Like for me, I'm delving into all these like art ideas that I had, and I mean I've drawn for years, but there's a lot of ideas I have that I just haven't done yet, so now I can. I know for me that means more drawing, more painting, more art. Yes, I'm picking up a paintbrush again. One more. Always three. Yeah, anyways, so don't forget to rediscover your passions and take this time to invest in them. Like, just do it. Just go, like for me, like I said, pick up a paintbrush if that's what you want to do. I haven't painted in years. Normally I draw. I'm like a portrait artist, but I mainly use like pencil. Even in my illustration stuff, I gravitate towards pencil. Recently I've finally been picking up the brush again and getting back into acrylics, so that's my thing right now. What are you guys doing actually? Like, what are you guys doing in this pandemic? What are you picking up? Oh yeah, did henna on my arm last night. Well, not last night, a couple days ago. I also do that. So yeah, just take this time to invest in you and do what you love and do as many things that you love as possible. On that note, much love, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!